In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to insert today's date with a formula here in Google Sheets. So I have an example data right here where I want to input the date today as the hire date for some of these people. Well, usually what you're going to do to input a date would be to manually input it. Let's start with the month, then the day, then the year. And there you have it. But what if for some reason you're not sure what the date today is? If you want to insert the date today with a formula, let's start with this cell. All you have to do would be to put in the equal sign and type in today. Click on that, press enter, and it will automatically insert the date today. Let's try that again. If I were to input it in this cell, start with my equal sign as this is a formula, put in today, click on that and press enter, and there you have it. So that's how quickly you can insert the date today with a formula here in Google Sheets. If you want to change the format, you can just go to Format here in the menu bar, select Number, then select Custom Date and Time. If you want your date to look like this, you can select that and apply, and there you have it. It will be applied even to your formula. And there you have it. That's how you can insert today's date with a function called Today here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.